everybody. Well, today's the last day, last check of the Martin line, last check up here on the Stees Highway. The predators just aren't here this year, so we're gonna pull all the sets and be done here. Hopefully the wolves come back next year, you know. Wolverine and marten and lynx all end here on the 28th of February, and today is the 25th. So we're just gonna pull everything today, and it's gonna be the end. Tuck's up in front. We're doing a overnight camp. Doing an overnight camp, and yeah, he should already have his tent and everything set up. I had a brake issue on my wife's rig I had to take care of before I could leave, so he left a little bit before I did. But looks like Mr. Fox is still running around. Yeah, fox season ends too on the 28th, so pretty much everything that's running around here closes on the 28th. So we're gonna pull everything today, and really pull everything tomorrow. I'm gonna try doing a little bit of predator hunting. I did bring my actual video camera, so we'll set the call up and try to get some footage if we can get any predators in. Tuck's out there waiting on me, so I'm gonna beat feet and get caught up to him. I'll show you if we got anything hanging in any traps, and yeah, see you down the line. Oh guys, we are cooking. It's warming up inside there. See the stack? It's a rolling. We're gonna let her warm up. Cooking us a little bit of moose steak. Huh? How long did it take you guys to get that done? So guys, we just got back. We just rolled in on the snow machine. And that orange flame there, that's my fire. So she's still a-going. Check it out. I'll get a little closer. We were gone for a little over an hour. Oh, good and toasty. Check it out. I like it. I like it. Got her all dampered down. Shine a little light on everything. Dampered down. She toasty in there. Toasty. All right, I'm gonna get in, cook the rest of dinner, and yeah. Yeah, cook the rest of dinner. Anyway, it's dark. It's dark 30. Actual time is 8:30. All right, see you when I'm inside. Well guys, it's 8:30 in the morning. I just want to talk about some of the gear that I used last night. So this is my sleeping mat. For the life of me, I can't remember the name of it. Big air up double mat goes across the entire bottom in there. It's a double mat. It is self-inflating. It's got an air pump built into it. Works nice. I want to say it's an R75 rating. Military issue wool blanket. Alright, can't go wrong with the military issue wool blanket. And then the sleeping bag, which is just a Sportsman's Warehouse. Sportsman's Warehouse elk bag. Rated 35 below. My rustic ridge bag zipper finally gave up the ghost. So I'm gonna have to get a new zipper for that. But also Sportsman's Warehouse bought out rustic ridge, so it is what it is. That bag's not around no more. I did like it because it's a double bag and it goes across the entire bottom of that. And it's good size for 2 people. But yeah, nice and toasty warm, so there's that. This is the cooler that I pack all my food in. It's a Titan. Just a backpack cooler. Works great. Works great. The tent is a Zeta 1. Alki Outdoors. I think I pronounced that right. I don't know. And my wood stove. And the wood stove's a kit, like everything. The stack comes with it and everything else, but it's a Deere Famey. I bought it, this particular one, because the door opens down, doesn't swing out. I can get like 5-inch pieces of wood in there, 12 inches long. 12, 13 inches long, something like that. I think I want to I cut all these about 10, and there's lots of room in there. I started the old snow machine. -10, and it's warmed up probably 10-15 degrees since I woke up at 6. Yeah, let everything good and warm up, and we'll get on our way. Tuck sees something, grabbed the 17 and ran up there. I was a ways behind him, so I'm not sure what he's seen. Whether it's ptarmigan or a fox or I don't know. Wind up here today, probably constant 10, gusting to 15. Yeah, I think it's a ptarmigan, as long as it's taking him to shoot, unless it's a fox. something. Oh, guys, finally. Hey, you didn't get to see me shoot it. 22 mag. I did it. 22 Magnum from probably 40 yards, maybe a little further than that. Dinner time. Whew. I'll carry that. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. You know, 22. All right.
They all flew right.
The rest of them flew down there. I don't feel like going that far. Yeah, Tuck was having firearm problems, and I'm having firearm problems now too. Yeah. Whew. See you down the line. Well, everybody, I got my gun fixed. For whatever reason, my gun just wasn't ejecting. But the importance of dry graphite, you know, it's 10 below. It's 10 below with about 10 mile an hour wind up here. You can't use regular gun lube. Tuck's firing pin stuck on his 17 HMR. So that's what his problem is. Not allowing the firing pin to hit. It's because it's too heavy a gun weapon. Something to keep in mind when you go out. I mean, I've had it happen caribou hunting up here, 15, 20 below on my hunting rifle, and that was, I learned the hard way. Another buddy of mine said, it's not right here. So we just came through the devil's armpit. That knob behind Tuck runs up and through and off a saddle. So you see the mountain up top there, and out in there's that saddle, and it goes right down that ridge all the way down into the bottom there. Look, there's Tuck. It's a beautiful day. The reason we call that the devil's armpit, because when the wind blows, that's where it deposits all the snow. So I'm sure you guys seen part of the video where I got just buried. Anyway, welcome to our winter wonderland. There's some marten tracks. I didn't show the Wolverine tracks. They were very, very blown in. The same Wolverine tracks from the last video. This is the last time This year you guys will be seeing this, so take it all in. There's a creek. We just kind of parallel the creek all the way back down to Birch Creek, right through the valley. So overflow hasn't been too bad. I'll say that now. I shouldn't have said that. One of our marten sets. Nada. Pull up here. Get off. Take it down. Marten number 1 on the day. Right there. Whew. Yep. Looks like his buddy came and chewed on his front leg for him. Alright. But he definitely ate his front leg for him. Oh well. Pull everything and be out of here. Scrape. Let me see if we can find the moose paddle real quick. The way the sun just lit that up. Kind of impressive. Driving by it. Didn't even see it. Definitely moose. Tall animals. I'm feeling no horn, unfortunately. I'd totally like to have a horn. I'll cut this way a few feet. Nope. Nothing. Oh well. Maybe next time.